Good morning, everyone. This is a wonderful Monday morning for everyone. I know everyone is just going out. Some are on their way already, some are in the office. Well, I want to say that I have been receiving a lot of calls, and I've been seeing the productive things we are doing out there. I want to congratulate every one of you. Keep developing yourself, keep winning, keep becoming positive in whatever you are doing. I really appreciate you. Keep doing what you are doing, because the more you keep winning, the little win, appreciate God for that little win, and keep doing the little you are doing, and begin to admire to get more, grow in that thing you are doing. And I tell you the truth, in no distant time you get to that point. Today, I want to talk about something you need to know. Now look at it. Imagining yourself enjoying your new level. When you begin to imagine yourself, that is enjoying your new level, then you will definitely get to that new level. The truth is that when you ask certain people, they don't even know where they are going to. They don't even know what they want to be. They are still in that spot. They don't even know where they want to get to. And because of that, they don't even imagine anything. They don't even dream anything. When you ask them, what are they dreaming? They are dreaming one person pursuing them, one person trying to kill them. They are not even dreaming how to become the next you, me. How to become the next. You are in this level, you need to think of how to get to the next level, and how to get to the next level, and how to get to the next level. They keep thinking other things. But I want to tell you something. The moment you begin to imagine yourself enjoying that car, you begin to imagine yourself enjoying that house, your own house. You begin to imagine yourself enjoying that connection, international connections, and then seeing your business growing from just an enterprise to an unlimited brand. And that is what you begin to see. The more you begin to see yourself, you begin to see yourself walking. You begin to see yourself it leads you into that thing proper. It leads you into that achievement. It leads you into that thing that you have designed for yourself. First of all, you need to imagine. You need to know your new level. So many of us, what level do you want to get to? What level are you now? What level do you want to get to? You need to know it, and you begin to see yourself entering that level. I want to encourage us, that level you have designed for yourself, begin to dream it, begin to see it. Anywhere where you see yourself, if you want to reach Paris, you can see yourself in Paris. Continue to see yourself in Paris. If you want to eat the best meal, start eating that best meal. Whatever you imagine, start seeing yourself doing it. And I tell you, no distant time, you will actually do that which you imagine. I want to encourage us as we go to work, see the new level, see the new thing, and you aspire. And whatever you aspire, definitely you will acquire. Thank you very much. Have a blessed week ahead. See you next week.